The rich play smartly. They profit off what most people don't know. The wealthy understand systems, trends, and opportunities that others overlook. They know how to leverage what people don't know and turn it into profits. In this video, we'll break down 10 smart, insightful ways of the rich, so you can start thinking like them and avoid being a part of the cycle. By the end of this video, you'll not only know the 10 ways the rich capitalize on others' ignorance, but you'll also have actionable steps to protect and grow your wealth. Stay with me till the end. You'll get interesting money-making ideas. Subscribe the channel, and let's get started. Number 1. Complex financial products. The wealthy often invest in tools like hedge funds, private equity, or sophisticated financial products. These aren't accessible to everyone, not because they're secret, but because they're complex. People shy away thinking, "I'll stick to a savings account. It's safe." Hedge funds might return 15% or 20% annually over time, compared to typical savings account. Start small. Learn about index funds or mutual funds. Imagine earning even 10% annually on your money. This will grow your money fast. Number 2. Knowledge of trends. The wealthy stay ahead by identifying future trends before the masses catch on. Whether it's cryptocurrencies, AI, or green energy, they invest early. For example, Bitcoin's price was $1 in 2010. Early adopters are now multimillionaires. Most people ignored it because they didn't understand blockchain technology. Research emerging trends. Follow thought leaders in tech or finance. The earlier you act, the greater your advantage. Number 3. Monetizing entertainment. While most people consume entertainment, the wealthy create it. From social media platforms to video games, they profit off the content others binge. Mr. Beast turned a YouTube channel into a multi-million-dollar empire by creating engaging videos while others simply scroll endlessly. If you're passionate about something, turn it into a side hustle. Start a podcast, write a blog, or create videos. You can profit from others' consumption habits. Number 4. Selling information. The rich understand that knowledge sells. Whether it's online courses, books, or webinars, they package what they know and sell it. Most people don't realize they're paying for someone else's expertise. For instance, someone who has mastered a skill like digital marketing can create an online course and sell it to thousands, earning passive income while helping others. Share your expertise. It could be as simple as starting a blog or creating an ebook. Everyone has knowledge that can help someone else. Number 5. Tax knowledge. Rich people don't evade taxes. They minimize them using legal methods. From offshore accounts to claiming business expenses, they leverage tax laws most people don't even know exist. Learn tax-saving strategies. Read books like Tax-Free Wealth by Tom Wheelwright. A small effort here can save you thousands each year, which you can reinvest to grow your wealth. Jeff Bezos paid $0 in federal income taxes in 2018 by offsetting Amazon's profits with losses and deductions. Meanwhile, the average person pays 20%, 30% in taxes. Number 6. Intellectual property. The rich understand the value of owning things that can generate income forever, like patents, copyrights, or brands. Most people focus on working for money instead of creating assets that make money for them. The rich understand the importance of owning IP because it's a source of passive income that doesn't require constant effort once created. Think about how you can create or own intellectual property. Could you write a book, create an online course, or develop an app? Passive income is the key to long-term financial freedom. Number 7. Stock market timing. Most people panic and sell during a market crash. The rich? They buy. Why? They understand that market dips are temporary and see them as opportunities to buy undervalued assets. During the 2008 financial crisis, Warren Buffett invested billions in companies like Goldman Sachs, making massive returns when the market rebounded. Start viewing market dips as chances to invest rather than reasons to panic. Number 8. Exclusive networks. The rich network with other wealthy, knowledgeable people. They learn from each other, share opportunities, and collaborate on big deals. Most people only network within their comfort zone. In Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, the concept of a mastermind group is emphasized. Successful individuals working together to achieve greater heights. Build your network. Attend seminars or join online communities. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you to grow. Number 9. Building and protecting their brand. The wealthy invest heavily in building personal or business brands. A strong brand creates trust, attracts opportunities, and allows them to charge a premium. Apple is not just a tech company. It's a brand synonymous with innovation, quality, and exclusivity. That's why they can sell iPhones at higher prices than competitors. A good brand differentiates you in competitive markets. Optimize your LinkedIn profile, share your expertise on social media, or even start a blog. Focus on creating value for others and opportunities will follow. Number 10. Leveraging other people's skills. The rich don't try to do everything themselves. They hire experts, lawyers, accountants, marketers to handle what they don't know. Most people try to save money by doing everything alone, which limits growth. Start outsourcing. Use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr for tasks that take too much time. Focus your energy on what you do best and you'll grow faster. Now you might relate this knowledge is not just power, it's profit. If this inspired you, like it, share with your closed ones so they can benefit from it too, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. Every single strategy we discussed can be learned and applied. Start small, take action, and watch how your mindset and finances transform. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.